I hope you remember that a bone that a hyena cannot chew, a rat cannot. Could I ask my dear friend, Governor Nyaribo from Nyamira, to come and address you briefly? And then I'll thank you very much, Governor Nyaribo.
Thank you, Deputy President. I take this opportunity also to thank the organizers of this conference. Nyamira is 1 hour drive to the west, out of this direction. I invite you to invest in tea, coffee, probably the best in the world, and as a country, I believe we should not be a blender, because our tea is used to blend other teas globally. We are not getting proper value. We should, as a government of Kenya, look into that, and we sell tea globally using our own brand as Kenya. Nyamira, we also have many other products, avocados, some said coffee, local vegetables, and many others. Most have been talked here. But as a country, if we don't fix the cost of energy, power is very expensive in Kenya. We'll be going round in cycles. I believe the national government will take it as priority number 1 in this country to fix power costs. Thank you so much. God bless you.
Can I ask my dear friend Simbarati